Yes, Massive Improved back once again with another video, and I just got back from B&Q, bought a couple of bits and thought, sorry, I'll just do a little video, show you what I bought, and also get back into the swing of things, doing bits and pieces. So without further ado, let's check it out. Just show you a couple of bits. I've got like a tough case toolbox to kind of expand and organise my tools a bit because they were getting a little bit out of hand. Also, grabbed a couple of bits and pieces. Found this cool carpet tape. Try and see if I could use this to stick the audio acoustic tiles to the wall a bit better, because a couple of them sort of fell down, as you can see here. So I'm going to give that a go and we'll see how that gets on. Also topped up on a bit of aluminum tape. Going to use this probably to sort of make some finishing touches to my Akai. And also a new switch for my video light, which seems to be crackling. I bought one of those Chinese ones and it's not wired up properly inside, and there's no screws to get inside there. So I'm going to be doing that, fixing that all up. I've got some new hot glue for my hot glue gun, as that's running low, and also some cool cable ties, which I'm going to be using for neatening up my wires and stuff. As you can see, inside this one's got compartments, and you can add as you need them. So you could use that for like putting discs in and stuff. So this is a nice sort of tough case from Mac Alistair, B&Q. And also, yeah, I forgot to mention this. This is a really cool thing, man. Look, I got this from B&M's. It's like a rechargeable, not even a recharge, is it rechargeable? Yeah, rechargeable 4.8 volt drill, and also a screwdriver set. $8.99. So guys, it's 1:39 in the morning. I've got a little tune running on Cubase with the Akai. As you can see, I've got all my little multis, a couple of bits running. And up on the old screen there, I've got on the floppy, and I'm running Steam with a little beat going. Okay guys, so I powered it up, the lights come on. Now I'm going to get one of these zip drives and I'm going to put it in and see what it does. Now this is not my one, this is the one it come with. I'm not going to risk my ones yet until I know it's safe. Now plugging it in, let me listen to see. Listen if I hear that little zip noise. Red light, powering up. Got faster. Boy, it looks like it's working, dude. The only thing is now, I'm gutted, I don't have a SCSI cable to test it. I need like one of these big ones to go on the back of it, but I also need it to go to a small SCSI. I don't think I have a big to small. I think I do. I swear one came with a sampler. I'm gonna have a dig and I'm gonna see if I can find it. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay peeps, just a quick heads up. I was able to get the Akai disk images that I had written onto floppy drive using 720 kilobyte disk and using OmniFlop. And now I've actually managed to get my Atari up and running with Cubase, but not properly. Just going to get you set up on there so you can see it a bit better. As you can see, the screen's got a few little mishmash bits here. And I'm also trying to find out how much memory you actually need to run Cubase. I can't quite remember how to reinstall or upgrade the memory on the Atari ST. So I'm going to investigate all those little things. Someone also mentioned that we should have a look inside the Atari ST underneath where the joystick port and keyboard ports are, and check to see if there's any wires loose, because sometimes the wires come loose and apparently you can solder it back together and it works. Excuse me, and it works as good as gold. Also, pause for thought. I'm trying to figure out whether this 68-pin SCSI cable can actually work with your 50-pin cables. Is there a 68-pin to 50-pin cable? Because I'm trying to wire this SCSI lead right into my zip drive, and then I'm going to try and make this kind of link where I can have it coming out of here, going into the SideQuest zip drive, out of the SideQuest zip drive into my Akai over here. So that way I can get access to everything. Oh, another thing, folks, I've just literally finished doing this computer, which is running Omniflop and all this tech real nice. I mean, like, check out. So just check it out. So this is an old Gigabyte GAE-P45 UD3LR motherboard inside. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's pretty good light. It's actually darker than it looks on camera in there at the moment. But yeah, so in there at the moment I've got that. I've also got an SSD drive which I've configured here. So and it's only got 4 gig of RAM. But despite that, I've got floppy drive, and I've also tried to connect up a Blu-ray disc drive here that's giving me some headache at the moment, and it's actually a Blu-ray writer, so I was hoping to back up to 25 gig, use this to do some serious backing up of some of my files and old hard drives, etc. But at the moment I'm struggling to get the Blu-ray disc working. It's doing some strange stuff. It's opening when it wants to, and it's also recognizing everything as a CDR drive. So I get a little close up on this Cubase, peeps. As you can see, the Cubase has got at the moment some funky thingy bobs, and when I was running the emulator itself, I found I got these results here when I was using I think it's either the color screen setting or it was not enough memory. So I'm wondering if I need to put more memory in this Atari ST. Comment down below if you actually know how to upgrade an Atari ST and put more memory in it. I'm going to do some more research online. I'll keep you guys posted. I hope you've been enjoying the tech videos, and hopefully I'll get a song up and running. Good news is I actually got a song up and running recently using my emulator, and I connected that to the Akai and it was running sweet. I actually got an old song up, I loaded an arrangement, I've got the files in the Akai, and it's working sweet. So that's a good result, peeps. That's a real good result. So again, like I said, if you want to win a t-shirt, comment down below in the section, smash that like button for me. I want to try and get this video up to at least 100 likes, please. That would be awesome, and I really need your help to do that. So you guys, I know I've seen a lot of views on this video, these videos, and the likes don't match up to the views. So let's get interacting, guys. Let's really, you know, push this up onto YouTube's front page. You know, do the business. Smash that like button for me. So here we go. We're going to do the t-shirt draw once again, and the winner is, as again, I don't know who is actually showing on the screen there, but if your name comes up on the screen there, dude, you have won. Congratulations. Take care. God bless. Peace.